welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the cheapest available makeup products on Purple. I'm going to do a very basic makeup routine that I do usually while going out casually. The eyeshadows are a little bit aggressive, but I did this routine to take a few videos in my YouTube channel. So you can try out different shades from the same brand. These are the cheapest products I found on Purple. These products are not very cheap. I saw all the products and brought the cheapest available, keeping in mind that it has to be safe. I do not want any kind of chemical reaction, and then I won't be able to record any more videos for you guys. So I did that and hope this video comes out very nicely. I do not know how this video is going to come out. And yeah, before any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm doing is just applying some ice cube all over my face. Make sure the cloth is clean with which you apply. It just really helps me reduce the inflammation. My skin in general is really loose, so it helps me while applying eyeshadows and stuff. My skin is just firmer. It also is a great way of taking care of your skin. Moving on, I'll be applying a little bit of moisturizer. Here I'm using the Good Vibes moisturizer, and I think this moisturizer is really nice. I got this for around 120 rupees. All the details will be given in the description below, and also I'll try to mention it on your screen, the prices, exact prices of this. I'm just applying Vico after that. I don't know, since childhood I'm just used to applying Vico, and it hardly costs 30-40 rupees. The tube I'm using costs 48 rupees to be exact. I just like it and it just makes me feel nice. Next here I'm just applying a little bit of primer on my face. This is the Purple Gold 24K primer. This I think was the costliest product in among all of it, around 400 or so. After that I'm using the SQL India foundation base. It's really light to feel, and this is just me laughing very embarrassingly. After that I'm just going to blend it in very nicely. The product in itself is so light coverage, so I'm going to apply another base of it just to give it a little bit more definition and little bit more coverage. I'm gonna rub everything in very nicely, and moving on, I'll be applying a NY Bay concealer. Surprisingly, this concealer was really cheap. It cost me around only 120 or so. I'm applying it wherever I feel like it is just dark and I have dark circles and stuff. So to just conceal that, I'm going to apply it really nicely. I'm going to pat all the product down very firmly, and I think this is really working very nicely. The product in itself is very nice. The concealer is amazing. For my skin tone, this is the perfect shade. I haven't found a concealer of this shade so nice. I haven't even found foundation of like this so nice. So it's very lightweight. You can use it on an everyday basis. As of now, I'm loving the base and stuff. It's just amazing. Moving on, I'll be applying a little bit of sunscreen because since this video is about everyday makeup and stuff, so I think it's really nice to apply sunscreen. Now what I'm doing is becoming a ghost by applying Pond's face powder all over my face. In general, I do this because I have a lot of oil secretion. By the time I finish my makeup, my nose area and the chin and the forehead just becomes so oily. It is just impossible for me to have a proper base done. The eyeshadow I'm using here is a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow. I'm just using the shade plain pink shade. I'm going to overlap it with a purplish kind of shade. I'm using pink because I think it goes with everything. I don't know, I really would prefer using a nude shade, but I really don't have a nude palette right now. I am going to buy one. Let me know if you know any kind of nice nude palette in the comment section below. I'll apply the dark purple shade down so that there's a nice gradient. I am really not good at applying any kind of makeup. I'm just starting out, but I really wanted to test all these. This palette in general costed me, I think, around 900 rupees. I love the palette. Before this, I was using this Swiss Revolutions glitterish kind of palette, and I will leave the link to that one also below. But that one had a really sucky blending thing, and it just didn't blend very nicely. It was very difficult to blend in, but it works great as a highlighter, so that way I didn't buy a highlighter at all. I'm just highlighting my eyebrows with a little bit of white over there. It just helps my eyebrows do a little bit of its thing. I don't know what to call it. I've just seen YouTube people do it, so I do it, and it kind of makes my eyebrows pop. I don't do a lot of eyebrows. I just apply a little bit of mascara on top of it, very little. I usually swipe off all the black color from there and just apply a little bit of mascara on there to give it a little bit darker shade. And moving on, I'll apply a plain ITEX Dazzler eyeliner. I don't think I recorded that because I suck at applying eyeliner. The wings of the eyeliner I usually do with this fake MAC product that I got from Club Factory. I did an unboxing for that down, and I will leave it downstairs. The video link, I leave it downstairs for you guys to see. It's a fake eyeliner, and this is just applying Colossal Basic Kajal. I'm going to do some contouring with the NY Bay contour base. I love the color. I just love the contour. It is so dark and so amazing. Gives a lot of definition to my face. It's amazing. I love the way it blends. It's really amazing. Every product, every brush, and everything I've used will be linked down below, and also will be given on the screen. I just write the name and the price on the screen. This lipstick is Isabella shade, I think, from NY Bay. I got it for 99 rupees or so. These products were all very cheap, very nice, and I think the makeup came out really nicely. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes a little bit to give it a little bit more definition. I love curling my eyelashes. The first time I tried to curl it, I pinched my eyelids and they became really bad, and my eyes were all swollen up for 2-3 days. So when you're trying to do it for the first time, be really careful with it. And yeah, I think that's it. That's pretty much my makeup. I will just finish up the down lids and then I'll be done with it. Further in the video, you're gonna see me posing for some awkward pictures. I think it was just some awkwardness that I had, or I saw different people doing it on YouTube, so I thought I have to do it, and that's my ridiculous smile. So that's it for our video. I forgot to record the outro of this video, and I'm doing it right now during the voiceover. I think the video came out really nice. I think the makeup came out very nice, and it wasn't a lot of difference, although the coverage of my foundation and the base could have been a little bit better, and the shades also did not match very nicely, but it wasn't something I cannot work with. And yeah, so this I think is a very good option or an alternative if we do not have money or you're broke just like me. And that's it. If you did like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel right down there. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and see you in the next one. Bye.